Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my affiliate marketing info channel. In this video, I'm going to review a new product called the Music for Cash. What this product is all about, Music for Cash. As you can see, the name is Music for Cash, and you can also to make money by listening to your favorite music. And this also they will also go to a website. After you sign up for this website, and just listening to your favorite music, then you will get a reward by cash or some free physical product, they will send you by post to your home, and you can what you can make profit then you can also to use this free product you can sell it, resell this product and make a profit. There's also an estimate that you will also to make at least you will also make $50 per day if you have just more and one phone is also to make money. How you can make money with your phone? If you your family has 4 phones and $50 per person, if you have a 4 family member, then you will have $200 per day. How much you can make for a month for a family? Just a very relaxed to listen to your favorite music and you will get paid by cash or your favorite physical product sent to your home. We sell it and keep profit. So it's also very unique way that you can make more profit. You don't have to wasting your time, but just for building your auto-response listening and building your list landing page auto-response. You also forget everything about it. You will use an access to this training course to teach you how you can make money by listening to your favorite music. So if you are interested in this product, Music for Cash, please stick with me till the end of the video because I also prepared something special for you. And other than that, if you pick up this product, Music for Cash, I also included exclusive bonus in order to help you to make more money. And please stick with me till the end of the video. And also just for reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. Okay, let me to jump into what my exclusive bonus if you pick up the Music for Cash through my link. Bonus number I also give you this and 5 ways to get free stuff online from different company. Bonus number 2 I will also give you the free report. There's also the how 5 powerful ways how you can dominate Amazon and ranking massive commission. If you want to sell this to Amazon, how you can make more money. Bonus number 2 I also give you the surefire still measure. What you will get the latest ebook software, pop-in audio and video. They come to giveaway. You can if you have a marketing make money on or affiliate marketing, you can also to give capture page or landing page to keep giving away and you order to build your list because the money what you can give away. You can also to use this private label and private label product with giveaway. You can also to as a lead magnet to build your list. Other than that, you can also have a reseller, master reseller, and the private label What is the private label? Yes, also you can edit anything about all of this product in your name, anything you want, and then you can sell it and keep 100% commission. Bonus number 4 I also give you step-by-step audio course and how you can start your successful freelance business. If you have other for example, you have a day job for customer service, if you are graphic designer, or even you have an article, you have an article, if you have a writer, you can also to write article for any blogger. There's also how you can start your and successful freelance business. I also give you this audio. You can listening to this course while you do anything you want, while you do other anything. Bonus number 5 I also give you free guidance cover the best way to market on Instagram. There's also the Instagram is I think there's also the first number 1 social media platform. A lot of the Instagram influencers over 10,000, 11, 100,000, and even 1 million. They also how you can make money. There's also to sell and their physical product or promote their products and services. They also make a lot of money. There's also I give you this free guide. What is the best and discover the best way to market on Instagram. Bonus number 6 free tricks. There's also how you can use Instagram story is also very, very important to 10x your engagement and sales. Bonus 7 also to give you Shopify 嘅 drop shipping code 即係 also 跟 more people 咧 go on drop shipping and to online shopping how you can certify you can also set up your certified 嘅 Shopify 嘅 drop shipping is over 1 hour you can sit down pick up the pen and take the note and how you can start up your Shopify 嘅 drop shipping center And bonus 8 I also give you this affiliate marketing course. This also and you can also no matter use a newbie or intermediate level you can create your account, get this affiliate marketing courses. A lot of the variable video training will teach you how you can make money with affiliate marketing. They also the best part is they also promoting the partner program. If you become a partner, you have a multiple streamer. You have not 10, not 20, not 30, 40. You have over 15 multiple streamer. All you have to do is create your account, get this affiliate marketing course, and also to watch the webinar inside the members and join the partner program. Bonus 6 also to give them another course, internet marketing course. This course is created by the 7-figure internet marketer. He has over 15 affiliate marketing and also email marketing. You can also do that after you create your account, get his internet marketing course, and then you can go to the members only the training portal and register for his weekly live training. He will teach you how you can make money and how you can start your online business. All of them is completely free. All you have to do is create your account, get his internet marketing code, and then go to members only the training portal and register for his weekly live training. But if you pick up any upsell and downsell, you will also get my 6 or more OTO bonus. OTO bonus one is also you can get this more roller training called 100% resale. Is also that you can sell it and keep 100% commission. No matter it's front end upsell and downsell. OTO bonus I also give you 4 more training courses with resale bonus 25 email strategies also for your email marketing. OTO bonus 4 I also give you exclusive bonus package $497 you have a free training course software report FReebies you can download and free version. I also recently added 3 more training to teach you how you can make money with YouTube. Bonus 5 I also give you blocking for profit. Discover how you can create a profit with a blog. Bonus 6 I also give you 30 days to bake the monthly email list. How you can build a bigger email list in 30 days. I also will read it to you in this report. And all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus before the countdown timer hits 0. Simply check my description below. The first link will come to this bonus page. When you come to this bonus page, when you press any blue button, you will redirect to the sale trade of the music forecast. And if you pick up the front end, you will also get my 9 bonus. If you pick up any upsell and downsell, you will also get my 6th OTO bonus. Let's take a look at the sale trade. And you can see that when you exit had a pop up, when you exit the sales trader, you have a pop up, you will have a qualify for a huge discount. I will be waiting to look what are the price and ups, what are the price and the upsell as well. Music for cash, type of list building, social media marketing, and other BS that doesn't matter. Explode, snack, loophole, learn us $50 to $60 a day by listening to our favorite music. No work required, no technical skill. And learn money immediately. This also I also included. You can also to see the sales page is quite long, but I also included this and also put this in my sales page. You can also to check it for yourself. You simply check my description below. You can also to see the sales page. You can also to check it for yourself. Anyway, I also because this product is you can also to the front end is about the PDF. I also to be ready to you the PDF. Music forecast is a guide to listening, a study style income by listening to your favorite music. Then you can also to see it's also this product is also by the vendor, his wife, and also has 2 daughters. And those also you can also do get paid to listen to music. And then if you also want to know There's also have a, if you take this serious, you can also can make as much as $60 a day. There's also have a $80 a month for doing something that is enjoy, and you are already doing why you get paid to do it. There's also they also have a comprehensive tutorial what is the current app on Apple and how you can learn money. There's also have a, for example, you can also make an easy $50 to $60 every day. There's also if you have a house have a 4 phone, then you can make $420 a week. There's also $21,000 in a year. And let's look. There's also have a Pro version, music for cash Pro upgrade. There's also OTO one. There's also the you will get you have they have researched a lot of the other premium but free side hustle that allow you to start learning immediately. These are included in our music for cash Pro upgrade. There's also OTO one upgrade. I highly recommend you to pick up this because you will learn much more by side hustle to do something and incredible. I highly recommend you to take a look on it. And this also I don't want to I cannot to explore more about this because of the PDF. Just to do that, you will just pick up this. You will get this front end for PDF. So lastly, I also like to go through what the price and upsell as well. Also, just reminder that please stay with me till the end of the video because I also prepared something special for you. Please stay with me till the end of the video. And also, just reminder that don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn notification. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. Okay, let me jump into the upsell as well. The front end is just for the $9.90. If you accept have a pop up for $7.95. Pro this $70 for the down sale $22. What you will get just let you to see that. You will know that and will have more tricks and twists in the shortcut. Get paid to taking picture. Get paid to test product. Get paid for transcripting and a high-end video editor to monetize your music for cash winning. There's also an exclusive tutorial we created for people who want to sell their goods on eBay. There's also a lot of the more training tips and shortcuts in how you can make money. Other than that, you have 4 ways to make more money as well. $27, $22 is no-brainer for the downsell. Resell upsell them too. They also have you can also resell this product and keep 100% commission. Master coaching, that's also have a downsell $47. Weekly master training course. With Dawn, there's also the vendor to skyrocket your music for cash result. Because I also highly recommend you to get this $47 downsell. Because you have the weekly master training ongoing what's going from this market, then you can have the latest trend how you can make money from this music for cash result. There's also I highly recommend you at least to pick up the upsell number 1. Pro you will get more way to explore your learning. Upsell number 2 is master coaching $47 downsell. Upsell number 4 affiliate accelerator $22 downsell is optional because this is also another software. Affiliate accelerator is a software that will take your customer on the affiliate marketing journey using the clickbank marketplace. It hijack creative comment the video and add your clickbank affiliate ideas is also another platform. You can also to make money with affiliate marketing with this platform. Clickbank is free to sign up. You don't have to worry about how you can get approval from the vendor because if you go to the Warrior Star and JV student also will make money online. If you are new to this platform, you cannot easily to get approval to promote the product, the vendor the product on JV student and Warrior Star. But if you click and sign up for Clickbank, you will almost I think this also 90% you can get instantly to get approval to promote any order. There's also a very side hustle that you can make more money for Clickbank, but this is also why I think this is also optional because it's not complemented to the front end. But if you want to then make more money for Clickbank, there's also you can pick this software because you will get the common creative common video and also to add your Clickbank ID is also to make more money as well. But in my opinion, I think this also the option number 1 and option number 3 啦。option number 1 啦 ，conversion 係$27啦。option number 3啦 ，master coaching 啦$47啦。They also have a down sell 啦。And other than that, you pick up this upsell 啦，highly recommend you should pick up the option number 1 and 2啦。You will also get my 6 嘅 OTO bonus 啦。And all my 6 OTO bonus will be delivered to the inside the warrior pass before the countdown timer hit 0. Simply check my description right below. The first thing that will come to this bonus page. When you come to this bonus page, when you press this any blue button, you will redirect to the sales page or the music forecast. And if you pick up this product, and you will also get my 9 exclusive one. But if you pick up any upsell, in my opinion, I highly recommend you should pick up the upsell number 1 and upsell number 3 call and for the and with the coaching, you will also get my 6 OTO bonus. Thanks for taking time to listen and watch till the end of the video of the music forecast review and bonus. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. And thanks for taking time to watch till the end of the video. Because I also prepared 10 freebies. You can instant access. All you have to do is check my description below to get your 10 freebie. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.